This video is a walkthrough of the school profile dashboard on Montana's statewide longitudinal data system, GEMS, or the growth and enhancement of Montana students. For a more general tutorial of navigating and using the GEMS interactive dashboards, watch the GEMS dashboard navigation video first in our playlist. This video covers more specific features of the school profile dashboard. The school profile dashboard houses school-specific information, characteristics, performance, location, and accreditation data to provide you an overview of each school in Montana. If you're looking to make comparisons between schools, you should navigate to the school comparison dashboard instead. To begin using the school profile dashboard, we first need to select a specific school of interest. Complete list of schools in Montana will be provided in the drop-down list. You can scroll through and find the school you're looking for, or you can use the search feature to narrow your search for you. For this example, let's explore Whitefish Middle School. Once a specific school is selected for the dashboard, their contact and location information will update. The school profile dashboard contains 5 pages. The first, or the landing page of the dashboard, provides an overview of the school selected. The second page provides state assessment data for the school that's selected. The third, on school characteristics. The fourth page provides information on program and course offerings at the school. And the fifth page provides information regarding school accreditation. Let's begin on the overview page. An interactive map populates, providing not only the physical location for the selected school, but when hovering over the school's data point on the map, a tooltip will populate, providing the school name as well as the school number. Details for school contact and location information also updates on this page, providing the county and the school address, as well as the phone number and email. In addition, this page will also provide the ESSA designation as either universal, targeted, or comprehensive support. Next, we'll navigate to the statewide assessments page of the school profile dashboard, which will provide insight to Whitefish Middle School's assessment proficiency data. Depending on the type of school selected for the dashboard, various assessments will populate as options to toggle between. These assessments will change based on the grade served by the school selected. If a middle or an elementary school is selected, Smarter Balanced and CRT assessment data will be what populates. If instead we switch from Whitefish Middle School to the high school, we'll see the assessments change to provide ACT and CRT data, as these are the assessments applicable to high school students. The assessment proficiency data will be provided in 2 ways on this page of the school profile dashboard. For this example, let's look at Whitefish Middle School again, their Smarter Balanced ELA scores for the 2020-2021 school year. Proportions of students across the proficiency levels is first provided in stacked bar graph form, where red denotes students who are testing at novice, yellow for those students who are nearing proficiency, green for students at proficiency, and blue for students who are testing at advanced. The top bar provides these proportions across proficiency levels for the school selected. The middle bar provides for the district. So in this case, the first bar shows for Whitefish Middle School, and the second shows for all of Whitefish School District. The third, or the bottom bar, provides these same proportions across the state of Montana, allowing the user to compare school and district to the state. The table in the bottom right-hand corner provides these same proportions of students across the proficiency levels, just in table format rather than the stacked bar graph. Navigating next to the school characteristics page. The information on this page can often answer frequently asked questions of schools in Montana. Such questions might be, what's the enrollment count of the school, or the attendance rate, or the student to teacher ratio? You'll note that a graduation rate is not provided since we have a middle school selected. But once again, if we change our selection to Whitefish High School, we'll note that the information provided does include a graduation rate, as this is applicable to high school students. Participation rates for some school programs, such as special education or an English learner program, are provided on this page. But for more details about program and course offerings for your selected school, we'll navigate now to the fourth page on program and course offerings. The default of this page is to answer questions regarding the school's configuration, such as how long the school week is, what grades are offered, and whether or not the school is a middle school. Information will be provided through these buttons in one of two ways. First is for the information to populate in the dashboard environment itself, such as the answers for school configuration or courses offered. The second way is for the buttons to connect you to an external platform. When selecting Continuous School Improvement Plan, the button will populate below, linking you to the plan itself. Navigating back to the dashboard environment. Lastly, we'll navigate to the school accreditation page. Once again, switching back to Whitefish Middle School, we'll explore what information is provided on this page. 4 buttons will populate, one for an accreditation review, a second for information concerning variances to the standards, a third on assurance to these standards, and a fourth regarding student performance standards. The Data Definitions and Explanations tab at the bottom of the dashboard environment can always be used if there's ever a data element or explanation you need to know more about. For example, on this page, if we wanted a better understanding of what are variances to the standards, we'd first navigate to this tab, make sure we're on the page of the dashboard where this element lives, and then open up its definition. You now know how to navigate the school profile dashboard. You have a basic understanding of what data are contained, and you know how to utilize the Data and Definitions page to explore any concept or data you want to know more about. With these skills, tools, and knowledge, you should be able to confidently start exploring school profiles in Montana. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the GEMS Help Desk.